Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a medium toy in a garden. First, select a prime location where your toy can be easily seen and appreciated. Think about how it will interact with your existing plants and garden features. It's crucial to pick a toy made from durable, weather-resistant materials to withstand outdoor conditions. Also, ensure its size is appropriate. A medium toy should blend harmoniously, not overwhelm your garden space. Now, let's talk about integrating your toy. Secure it properly to avoid any mishaps from wind or accidental bumps. You can use stakes or weights for stability. Think about placing it to create a delightful focal point, perhaps nestled among flowers, or as a fun surprise along a garden path. Remember to clean your toy regularly. A quick wipe down will keep it looking vibrant and charming throughout the seasons. Medium garden toys offer fantastic opportunities for engagement. They can be wonderful tools for teaching children about the natural world, like where vegetables grow or how flowers attract pollinators. You might even design a small, themed garden section around the toy, sparking imaginative play and storytelling. Consider using it as part of a garden scavenger hunt, adding an element of discovery and excitement to outdoor time. Maintaining your garden toy ensures its longevity and continued enjoyment. Periodically inspect it for any wear or damage, especially after harsh weather, and make repairs as needed. Don't be afraid to move your toy around seasonally. A new spot can completely refresh your garden's aesthetic. And speaking of refreshing, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your indoor spaces spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.